Popular social media platform is at the center of a disturbing case involving a teen from Macomb Township. What's in this federal complaint is so upsetting to some people, it had a prosecutor struggling to stay composed in federal court today. Erica Erickson standing by live with more on a story that's really tough to talk about. Erica.
Yeah, here in federal court this afternoon, the prosecutor reading that complaint, some of those details actually became incredibly emotional and basically took a break before continuing. And prosecutors say they've only gotten into 2 accounts that are linked to this teen out of about 13, but they decided to make an arrest this week.
What'd you see?
A bunch of FBI out there with the knocking the door down.
The details of the charges too graphic to repeat. Neighbors on Ringneck Drive in Macomb gasping.
It's scary. It's really scary.
As they now realize why the FBI has been out to the home of 18-year-old Julian Zara at least twice.
And they were taking the 18-year-old or oldest son away in handcuffs.
The FBI arresting Zara Monday, according to prosecutors, after tips not only from a user on the Discord chatting app, but also from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, linking dozens of so-called animal crushing videos and child sexually abusive material to the teen, dating back to September of 2023. Feds raiding the home in April say Zara, handing over his iPhone, was still logged into 13 different Gmail accounts, admitted to using the app, his involvement in the terror network 764, and viewing images of children between 5 and 10 years old, and saying and doing things he was, quote, not proud of. The feds then say they uncovered dozens of videos involving sexual and torturous acts on puppies, kittens, turtles, deer, rats, snakes, and frogs. Zara allegedly admitting to another user that he watched child pornography as a test, but, quote, got more pleasure kicking dogs.
Scary. Because I've got a 17-year-old and a 14-year-old, and there's little kids running up and down the street all day.
Prosecutors also referencing Wednesday Zara's alleged disturbing Google search history that involved mass, spree, and school shootings and, quote, how to buy a gun in Michigan. Zara's family was in court this afternoon, and his defense attorney says he suffers from newly diagnosed mental health issues, but this judge says he appears to be not only a danger to himself, but also his family and the community. And instead of putting him into a mental health facility, he has him being held without bond for right now. Reporting live downtown, Erica Erickson, back to you.
You're leaving people speechless on this one. All right, Erica, we appreciate it. Thank you.